We'll do our interview in here. We'll start with that.
And then after this, we'll walk you down the hall into the studio. And you're entering a live environment when you do that.
Hi.
Hi, Megan?
Yes, Matt?
Matt, nice
Hi,
to see you.
It's so nice to meet you.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, so I've had MS for a little over 20 years. I was 16 when I first started having symptoms. Got the official diagnosis at 18.
Okay.
And I've been following with the Cleveland Clinic Mellon Center ever since then.
So what's not a good day?
There are some days where it's hard for me to even get out of bed because my legs just don't want to work.
Okay.
Just getting my legs to even do what I want them to do is a
Right.
challenge. It's because of donations like yours that were maybe not from your specific donation, but from donors such as yourself.
Yeah.
I know that me and so many other patients have benefited.
Thanks.
I just can't express the amount of gratitude and appreciation.
Yeah, I appreciate that. And I pass that back to the generations before.
So why MS?
This is a question that's a difficult one.
Okay.
I'm on Ocrevus.
Are you?
Yes. I am first a grateful patient, not unlike yourself. I remember my first infusion. I can't remember the nurse's name, but she said, "How are you doing?" And I said, "I'm scared to death." And she put her hand on my shoulder and said, "It's okay, we're gonna take care of you." I just felt, and it because of gratitude and impact, that I wanted to be here.
Yeah. It's such a sign of hope, I guess, that someone's paying attention, someone cares, someone's willing to give so that I may be able to live a better life. I just can't thank you enough for all that you have done and will likely continue to do.
None of us do this on our own.
Right.